Good afternoon. I'm Gary Linden. I'm the curator of the Chicagoland Combined Veterans Museum, located in River Grove, Illinois. And what we have today that we're going to look at, we have a Japanese flag. This is called a sunray flag. It is two-sided. It has ties at both ends. This is to tie onto a rifle. The helmet here is actually, by this insignia, this is an air defense helmet. This is one long chin strap to tie it on, but that's how it's made. In the inner lining, we have Japanese characters, which possibly could be a name. This could be a number, so he knows that this is his helmet. This part of the liner is burlap. This is leather. It's pretty sturdy. And over on the other side of the flag, this is a handheld Japanese Air Raid Siren. It has a label there. It did at one time have a leather strap that was a handle, a carrying handle. These fold up. You can push them down like this, and if there's an impending air raid, you can get a little noise out of it. This was used not only by the military, but I'm sure this could have been used by civilians too, the air defense. And in closing, I would just like to say to all our military personnel, the past, the present, and the future, thank you for your service.